Welcome dear students. In our first lecture, we have completed how to find out distance between 2 points. Also, we have learned the concept of betweenness. Today, we are going to start our third question from practice set 1.1. Here, in this question, we are going to determine whether the given points are collinear, and if the points are collinear, then the betweenness between the given 3 points. First question. First of all, write down the given things. Three different distances are given. Distance PR is equal to 7. Distance PQ is equal to 10. And third, distance QR is equal to 3. Now, we are going to learn how we are going to complete this example. First of all, think about the given example orally. First of all, find out the highest distance. Here, from the given 3 distances, the highest distance is 10. Then, take the sum of remaining 2 distances, that is 7 and 3. We know that 7 plus 3 is also equal to 10. Here, we have determined that the given 3 points are collinear. But this is oral. Now we are going to write how we are going to solve the example solution. For this example, we need a figure. Here, since the greater distance is PQ, I am going to take the points P and Q at the end, and I will take the third remaining point R in between P and Q. We know that distance PQ is equal to 10, distance PR is 7, and distance RQ, that is QR, is 3. Now how to write it? First of all, write down the greater distance. Distance PQ is equal to 10. This is our statement number 1. Now take the addition of remaining 2 distances, that is distance PR plus distance QR, that is equal to distance PR is given as 7 and distance QR is 3. We know that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is our statement number 2. From statement 1 and 2, the right hand side of both the equations is equal to 10, and therefore there is equality between left hand side, and therefore from 1 and 2, we get what we will get, that distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR, and therefore our first conclusion is, therefore points P, Q and R are collinear. Also, point R lies between P and Q. Point R lies between points P and Q. We will write by using the notation, that is P dash R dash Q. Now this is our complete solution for the first question from question number 3. Now we will consider the second question from question number 3. Now again write down the given things. For the second question, now question number 2 from question number 3. Now write down the given things. Here also 3 different distances are given. Distance RS is equal to 8. Distance ST is equal to 6. Distance RT is equal to 4. Now again, think about the given example orally. Which one is the highest distance? 8. Now take the sum of remaining two distances. That is 6 plus 4. We know that 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And therefore, the highest distance is not equal to the sum of remaining two distances. That means our oral determination is the given 3 points are not collinear. Now we are going to complete the solution. Here from the given we will write distance greater distance, that is distance R is equal to 8. Statement number 1. Now take the sum of remaining two distances, that is distance ST plus distance RT, which is equal to 6 plus 4, and that is equal to 10. This is our statement number 2. Now observe the right hand side. Here it is 8, but the addition of the remaining 2 is 10, and therefore from 1 and 2 we get distance RS is not equal to distance ST plus distance RT, and therefore our first conclusion is therefore points R, S and T are non-collinear. Since the points are non-collinear, there is no betweenness between the given points. Now this is the solution for our second question from question number 3. Now we will complete the third one also. Now again for the third question, write down the given 3 distances. Now third question from question number 3. I am going to write the given distances. For third, distance AB is given as 16. Distance CA is equal to 9. And distance BC is equal to 7. Now again think about the example orally. Which one is the greater distance? 16. Now take the sum of remaining two distances, that is 9 plus 7, which is also equal to 16. Now here our oral decision is that the given 3 points are collinear and also A and B are at the end, and therefore the remaining third point, that means C, is in between A and B. Now the solution. Distance AB is equal to 16. This is our statement number 1. The sum of remaining two distances, that is distance CA plus distance BC, is equal to 9 plus 7, which is also equal to 16. Now again from 1 and 2 we get what you will get? Distance AB is equal to distance CA plus distance BC. Now therefore points A, B and C are collinear. This is our first decision. And since AB is the greater distance, point C lies between points A and B. That is how we are going to write A dash C dash B. That means the meaning of this is C lies in between A and B. Now here we have completed our third question, but there are 3 examples remaining. Do these 3 examples as homework. Now we will go to question number 4. Presentation for these examples is very important, and these examples are included in question paper, and therefore learn it carefully. Now we are going to solve question number 4. First of all, read the given example carefully. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AC is 10, distance CB is 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. Now, read the example carefully. All the 3 points are on a number line. That means we will conclude that the given points are collinear. Is that clear? Points A, B and C. What is given? Points A, B and C are collinear. With the help of the definition of betweenness, if the 3 points are collinear, then we are having 3 different possibilities. But all the 3 possibilities are not possible for each and every example. Now here we are going to discuss first of all the position of the points. That means which possibilities are possible. Suppose we have considered possibility number 1. In the first possibility, first of all, observe the given distances. AC is 10 and CB is 8, and therefore I have taken A dash, B dash, C. That means I have taken point B in between points A and C. Since I know that the entire distance AC is given as 10 and distance CB or BC is 8. Now it is very easy to me to find out distance AB using the definition of betweenness. Since A dash, B dash, C. Now when you are going to represent the definition in terms of the formula, here since I want to find out distance AB, I am going to write on left hand side, that is distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. I have given the reason at the top. Now substitute the values. I don't know the value of distance AB. Keep it as it is. Distance BC is 8 and distance AC is given as 10. Now transpose 8 on that side. I will get distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8, and therefore distance AB is equal to 2 when A dash, B dash, C. Now I am going to consider the second possibility, and I will discuss that the third possibility is not possible. That means that condition we are not going to discuss. Now please remember that we have taken B in between A and C. Now the possibility number 2. Observe the given distances and we are going to think about the second possibility. Now possibility 2, for betweenness, what is possible? Now again observe the distances. I can take point C in between point A and B. Since I know that distance AC is equal to 10 and distance CB is equal to 8, I can take the addition of both and I can find out distance AB. Here, since the betweenness is now A dash C dash B, I want to find AB, that's why I have taken it on left side. Distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance CB. Now substitute the given values. I know that AC is 10 and CB is 8 and the addition 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Therefore distance AB is equal to 18 when A dash C dash B. Now I will explain you why we have not discussed about the third possibility. Why it is not possible. Now observe the given line. Suppose I have taken A in between the points B and C. I know that distance AC is 10 and distance BC is 8. 10 is greater than 8 and therefore this is not possible, and that's why we have not discussed the betweenness for the remaining third property, that it is not possible. Since 10 is greater than 8, therefore A in between BC is not possible for this example. No need to write it. But since I have discussed only two possibilities, I have to explain that why we have not considered the third possibility. Now we are going to discuss about example number 5. I am going to read the example. Points x, y, z are collinear. Now in earlier example they have mentioned that the points are on a number line, and that's why we have taken that the points are collinear. Now here in the fifth example they have given that the points are collinear. Again two distances are given. Distance xy is equal to 17 and distance yz is equal to 8. Find distance xz. Now here also they have not mentioned that consider all possibilities, but here also we are going to consider the possibilities which we are going to discuss here. Now write down the given things. Points x, y, z are collinear. Now write down the given distances. Distance xy is given as 17 and distance yz is given as 8, and you are going to find out distance xz, that is how much. Now here also we are going to discuss the example in two different possibilities. Here also two different possibilities are possible. Now I am going to draw both the figures. First possibility, and here we are going to consider second possibility. Third is not possible. I am going to explain that also. First of all, x dash, y dash, z. xy is given as 17 yz is given as 8, and therefore we are having this betweenness that x dash y dash z, and find out yz. The second, here also we are going to consider x, y, and in between them z. Here distance xy is given as 17, yz is 8, and therefore using this betweenness, that is x dash z dash y. But the third possibility is not possible. X does not lie in between y and z with the help of given distances. Now we are going to find out distance xz. Since I am going to find out xz, I have taken on left hand side distance xz is equal to distance xy plus distance yz. Now substitute the value. Xy is 17, yz is 8. We know that 17 plus 8 is equal to 25. Therefore distance xz is equal to 25 when x dash y dash z. Now I am going to find out the second value of xz when the betweenness is x dash z dash y. Here, since x dash z dash y, distance xz plus distance zy is equal to distance xy. Now substituting the values, I will get, therefore distance xz plus zy is 8 and xy is 17. Transpose 8 on that side. I will get distance xz is equal to 17 minus 8. When I subtract 8 from 17, I am getting the answer 9. Now here, consider why third position is not possible. Now suppose I have taken the figure like this. X is in between y and z. What is the position? xy is 17 and yz is 8. Observe the position. Is this correct? 17 is greater than 8 and therefore this condition is not possible, and that's why this third possibility is not possible. Now here we have completed our question number, I think this is question number 5. I forgot to change the number. This one is question number 5. Now we have completed question number 5. Now in question number 6, again there are 3 examples, but I am going to explain only one from that 3. Remaining 2 do as homework. Now, what is the difference between the earlier question and question number 6? When we have completed distance between points AB is also equal to length AB. When you are going to write distance between point AB, that is equal to the length of line segment AB, and that is equal to AB. Please remember this expression. When you are going to write distance AB, do comma in between AB. When you are going to write length AB, no need to write comma between AB. And when, if you have taken only AB, that is the meaning of AB is length AB. It is equal to distance between the points A and B. Now, with the help of this concept, we are going to complete question number 6. Now here in this question, they have given the betweenness and also they have given the distances. First question, the given betweenness is A dash, B dash, C. This betweenness is given. Also they have given that length AC is equal to 11, length BC is equal to 6.5. Then you are going to find out length AB. Now I have already explained that distance AB is equal to length AC is equal to distance AC, and therefore we are using distance formula to solve this solution. First of all, A dash, B dash, C. The betweenness is given. Now write the formula. Distance AB is equal to, now first of all I want to find out AB, and therefore distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. I have taken the formula in terms of distances. Now I am converting in terms of length. Length AB. Now no need to write comma in between AB. Please observe the difference. When you are going to write distance AB, there should be comma here. And when you are going to express length AB, there is no comma in between the 2 points. Length AB plus length BC, that is equal to length AC. Now two distances are given. I want to find out length AB. Keep it as it is. BC is given as 6.5 and AC is given as 11. Now transpose this 6.5 on that side. It should be minus 6.5, and then I subtract 6.5 from 11. My answer is 4.5, and therefore length AB is equal to 4.5. Now similarly solve the remaining two examples from this question number 6. Now I am going to take the last question, which is question number 7. I am going to read the question. Which figure is formed by three non-collinear points? Now I am going to draw the figure on blackboard. Consider three non-collinear points. I have taken 2 points here, and since the third point is non-collinear, I have taken it like this. Now we are going to draw the figure, that which figure is formed with the help of these three non-collinear points. When we join those points, please tell me the name of the figure, that you will get which figure. Suppose I have given, the names are not given, write their names. Suppose this point is P, this one is Q, and this one is R. A triangle is formed by three non-collinear points. Now students, we have completed the first part of our first chapter, that is how to find out the distance between 2 points. Now, which things you are going to write in your notebook? On page number 2, there are 4 important lines. I am going to read those lines. Please mark those lines in your notebook and write down very clearly. Now here, the second last line from your page number 2, the distance between two distinct points is always a positive number. Write this line in your notebook. Then, if the 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Then into bracket, they have given 2 statements. Remember this. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Write this statement also, and the statement next to that. The distance between any 2 points is a non-negative real number. Then on page number 3, they have given the definition of betweenness. Also solve all these examples which I have completed in today's lecture and in the first lecture. And the remaining examples, you have to solve those examples as homework. Till then, stay home.